Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my realistic people, it's long time we welcome this our sister to this platform. Yes, so you know that she's someone that is so outspoken, and she sent her message direct without not missing word. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let me just release the video so that you watch and listen to her, and also some Nigerians in America protest. So they said they are not in support of the election, but the numbers that went for that protest, they are so few. Are you not telling me that these are all the Nigerians in USA? My people, let me not talk too much. Just watch this video and I'll be right back.
I am going live right now because I cannot keep silent about the slaughter, the undercover slaughter that's going on in Abia State, in all the southern states, in all the Christian states. I cannot remain silent. Why is the governors in the Southeast region, the South-South, the Southwest, the Middle Belt region, and even in the North, why are you all remaining silent while people get slaughtered? Just yesterday in Abia State, peaceful protesters who have the right and freedom to peacefully protest, and the Nigerian police and government turned a blind eye, and police shot and killed, cold blood, innocent protesters, unarmed. I want to ask the Nigerian government, why are you silent? Why is my money from America going over to a government that sponsors terrorists and slaughters innocent people who are peacefully protesting? I want to know why. And why is Britain continually remain silent on this issue? What is it, Britain? Do you hate Christians? Do you hate Christians, Britain, that bad that when there's a silent genocide on innocent people getting slaughtered in the Southeast and Southwest, you remain silent? And furthermore, where is my U.S. ambassador speaking out against these crimes publicly? And where is my U.S. ambassador calling up the U.S. government and saying, we need to halt all money to Nigerian government because they are not speaking out against what's going on and they're allowing a silent genocide and slaughter. Enough is enough. Americans have had enough. I'm telling you right now, this video that went viral on social media will make sure to get to our Congress, because now I'm feeling threatened as an American. I'm feeling threatened because of you, Nigerian government, allowing terrorists to go at free will anywhere in Nigeria, including the military and police, to slaughter people and take land away from people. And you are paying ambassadors and everybody else money to remain silent. And now the danger is coming to my back door. And I can explain how it's coming to my back door. Just call me up. You know my name, Nigerian terrorist sponsoring government. Call up my government so they can call me up so I can explain it. Because I'm going to explain it anyways. I'm starting to feel unsafe now here in America because of what's going on ground in Nigeria and by failed politicians to speak out against this. Enough is enough. And I'm not going to keep silent. Enough is enough. I'm tired of the genocide of my fellow innocent Christians, any human being innocently being slaughtered when they are not armed, all while you are forgiving Boko Haram terrorists and letting them in the community after they've already slaughtered people. When are we going to wake up? When are you going to wake up? Is money that important to you that the human lives of innocent women, children, elderly people get slaughtered, and the youth who are the future generations getting slaughtered all because they peacefully protest in Abia State? I have a very huge problem with this. And believe me, I've got the videos. Continue to send me videos. I want the date, time, who it's against, and I want the full date with the year. Then nobody can come back and say that that video wasn't done that day and time and year, because I'm going to show everything to our Congress. And believe me, we're going to continue to work. I'm telling you, as a human being, one human being to other human beings, stop the genocide, stop the nonsensical killings, and stop with the allowing of the jihad to happen in Nigeria and sponsoring terrorists, all while you're slaughtering innocent protesters and keeping innocent people detained. Stop it. Enough is enough. And Britain, look at me in my eyes. My grandparents served in World War II to help prevent Hitler from stealing your freedom. You will stand up for the good people in Nigeria that are suffering. You will stand up for them, or you will be erased from being an American ally. I guarantee it.
And they prevented them from voting. It was serious violence that I witnessed myself. They told people that you cannot vote because you look like a certain way, or because you are from a certain part of Nigeria. That is not what Nigeria is all about. That is not what democracy is all about. That, I can tell you now, is a crime against humanity. And I think United States should never stand for this. We Nigerians in the United States should never stand for this. The reason why most of us voted, because I was doing some work trying to convince people to vote for Labour Party in Badagry West. And they were telling me, regular people were telling me, they said, our votes never counted in the past. Why should we vote now? And I told them, I said, oh, don't worry. INEC said they have beavers. And if you got beavers, that same beavers will transmit, the results electronically. I was wrong. On February 25th, serving as a polling unit officer, I saw that the beavers was never used. Yes, they fill out the forms and everything, but no transmission was done. None. Not in the Badagry West, where I serve as a polling unit agent. I just want to let you know that. Not only that, we find out on the night while we were still doing collation, and some of our polling unit agents were sleeping at the collation center, that the results for presidential election that was supposed to happen, uploaded by beavers, going into the IRL, we find out that only the results for the other voting and elections, except for the presidential, were uploaded. The result for presidential election was never uploaded. Yet, Mahmoud Yakub with INEC went ahead and declared somebody a presidential candidate while we were still having problem uploading the result from the presidential elections. So, what we had was just a selection. There is no, just like our vice principal said, there is no president now for Nigeria. There is no president elect. And finally, this is what I'm going to say. Because I'm a lawyer, I'm able to read the 100-page petition submitted by Labour Party and Obi to the election tribunal. One of the most important things you have to understand is this, and you have to realize, the person they select as the current president for Nigeria does not meet the constitutional requirements. Let me say that again. He does not meet the constitutional requirements. His vice president does not meet the constitutional requirements. So, we want the United States to do the right thing. We want the United States Congress to do the right thing, to make sure they stand with the majority of the Nigerian people and make sure that democracy actually prevails in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.